On Thursday, the 23rd of April at MACH 2020, MTDCNC are dedicating all of our coverage to Star GB, and you'll be seeing parts that are even better than this one here. It's very impressive, isn't it, Matt?
It is indeed, and we've got a bigger and better components that we're going to be showcasing on the stand at MACH as well.
I'm really looking forward to this. Let me put this away because I don't think I'll be able to do the whole interview holding this. But this video is not about particularly the machines. Guaranteed Star are going to have all of the machines on the stand, but it's about you really, and making more profit for you, about you kind of thinking it's not always about turned parts on sliding head machines.
Right. Correct, yes. So we're looking at what we can do for the customers, and what we want as many difficult components coming to the stand, and we want to talk about them and what we actually can do for them as well. So we look at the components themselves, and we do prismatic parts or turned parts with a lot of milled features as well.
So a part like this, as an example, is this something that people would think, yes, I can make this on a slider?
Conventionally, no, that would be done on like a VMC with 5 or 6 different operations, but on the slider you can do it in one operation and it will come off complete as well.
And it's the variety of sizes of the parts that you can create. I mean, this is a smaller, this is tiny, this one here. Let's see if I can even hold it for everyone.
Yeah, that's off a watch component, and that's silver plated, so we can go right down to small components and they'll come off complete, or we can kind of go to a larger size as well, up to kind of 42 mil as well.
So Gio said on one of our videos the other day, if you invest in a sliding head machine, you're investing in a money-making machine. And I think that's quite fair to say. You wouldn't consider a sliding head machine without automation, would you?
Oh, that's correct, because it is a money-making machine. From the bar feed at the back of the machine to the front end where you're actually kind of getting the components off. You want that machine just to run completely by itself. So you put the program in, let it run, and you come back in the morning, you've got a bucket full of components, and that's your money basically.
Okay, so on the stand, let's have a look at some more of these components over here. On the stand, you're going to have a variety of machines, but who's going to be there? Like, what's your dream, Matt, for somebody to come onto the stand with? Maybe a image, a problem for you to find a solution, right?
Oh, definitely. So we want to look at either bring a sample onto the stand or a drawing, so we can have a look at it and get our applications engineers to have a look at it as well, because they love a problem or a solution to kind of have a look at, to get it off as quickly as possible, or how to actually manufacture as well. And we've got our new SX38 machine on, and we've got a component there as well, showcasing all the features, what you can actually do. And that's a really exciting machine we want to kind of showcase at MACH this year.
So ideally, if you've got a part that you want to make more money on, if you've got a part that you think potentially I could make on a sliding head machine, make sure you go onto the Star stand throughout the whole week, but we will definitely be there on the Thursday of the show. Anything else, Matt, to add?
Oh, it's exciting. We've got some brilliant products that we're going to actually showcasing as well, and some of the products like the lightsaber we're doing, and a bit of a twist on that, and another little component that we're doing. I don't want to tell you too much because you're going to come on the stand and have a look.
I'm really excited. Well, I look forward to seeing you there, and you too. May the force be with you.
Thank you.